Hi, Internet. As always, here's my Matchbox disclaimer. I'm not your attorney unless you've signed a contract and paid the applicable fees. Today, I want to talk about the importance of maintaining confidentiality when you're using email and shared computers during a divorce proceeding. With the increased use of technology in our lives, and my assistant Penny today, it's crucial to understand the potential dangers of using shared computers and protecting your personal information. First, any communication that's transmitted on the internet, even if it's encrypted, could still be intercepted or read. This means that if anyone is determined enough, they can access your information. So for this reason, it's really best practice to not send or receive any email or confidential documents via email, especially through public networks. Another danger is if somebody creates like a fake website, right, that looks identical to the website you're on, and you could have information stolen. And if you're using the same password for everything, then that could cause huge problems with the confidentiality between you and your attorney. So be careful and don't click on any weird, suspicious links. Also, keep your personal computer and your phone and iPads all secure. That means that your software is all up to date, if you have antivirus, firewalls, and don't share your passwords, not with anyone. Because if you do share a password, especially with your spouse or your partner, and if you're on a shared computer, they could later have a defense to say that, y'all had a shared computer or you had shared passwords. So they didn't illegally access your messages. Most of the states nowadays do have computer privacy laws that make, I think it's misdemeanors and felonies. It depends on the jurisdiction and it depends on what's going on. But within those statutes, if you have shared your passwords or saved them on a shared computer, you could have a problem keeping confidential communications confidential. Our office actually uses a client portal, and that's my preferred way of sending information to my clients. And then my second preferred way is using a secured shared file system. This also brings up the point where, quite frankly, we still are in a world where if you can say it to your attorney, that's much better than having to write it. And what I mean by that is if you have important information to discuss with your lawyer, schedule a meeting. First choice would be a face-to-face meeting. Most offices have opened and they're seeing their clients in person. The next thing is if you do video conferencing, use the most secure encrypted teleconferencing software that you can. And just make sure you understand that, once again, whether it's a video conference, email, or any kind of communication being transmitted, the internet is forever. So think about these things when you need to have confidentiality with your attorney. And like I said, the more you can kind of keep out of the public sphere, the better. And that's really what I want to talk about, because this issue keeps coming up in my cases year after year. So that's what we're discussing today. Okay, it is a weird world out there. Sorry for the crazy camera work. That was Penny licking me. Stay safe, guys. Bye.